Okay. Okay. So this experience, like any given moment in our life, we can always, it does not need so much to go into that space. It's very much simply trusting and a question of being aware. So if one can go into that space, if you look at as a we all know the mobile phone we carry nowadays, and especially with the mobile phones with the app, the how you say iPhone or similar like iPhone, which has so many apps running. When you're not aware of how many applications are running in those mobile phone, and you can see the battery life goes very fast. It goes down. You're not using phone. You're not in the end. Mobile phone is something to serve to call somebody, right? And sometimes when you really need to make a call, it doesn't work because the battery is not there or something wrong with it. But on the other hand, all the unnecessary application, how many applications are running there which you are not aware? So the same principle here. If you any given moment in your life, when you look in yourself, you are like your Apple, your iPhone. You are your iPhone, and it's running all those unnecessary applications which even you are not aware of, and all those applications are draining your inner being. You're not nourishing inner being; it's a draining inner being. So you're losing all those qualities out. So now, tuning into that space, not only you're not losing, but you're charging your iPhone also. So not only you're not losing, but you are nourishing your inner being. Simply, and this question about nourishing, and of course, our mind is so gross. We focus on so much on the material and strong emotion experiences and strong thought experiences. But a simple, spacious awareness, probably we might not have so much, eye or awareness to value it. And those kind of, I think, one way to value that will be to just first in the beginning try a little bit, trust a little bit. And you go into a little bit there, you see, it's true. Is it true? It's not draining me? Is it true? It's charging my battery? Is it true? And if you begin to feel, yes, it's true, it's really charging my battery, then question is how often I want to recharge my battery, right? How often? And of course, many times people say, oh, I need a right space, and I need a right partner, I need a right job, I need a right this, right that in order to charge my battery. It's not true. Of course, it's true for you at that moment. That's unfortunate, but it's not really true. The most magical thing is, can it charge the battery when it's using it? So anytime when you, as I said earlier, anytime when you face challenges, that very moment, in the middle of that challenge, can you go that place and feel you're charging your battery? That's the best experience you can have. Just in the middle of the action. Go there. Not saying, okay, I'm going to finish this project, then I'm going to meditate. That sounds very familiar, right? I'm going to mess up all these things, then I'll find my inner peace later. That sounds very familiar. But even you're messing up, middle of your messing up, can I still have that sense of peace there? I'm feeling angry. Can I still feel that sense of peace? You can. And the moment you feel that sense of peace, it's going to change your anger. because you found something more interesting thing. But before, your anger is the only thing interesting. Okay, so I think that's all. So think about the iPhone. You are your iPhone. You can charge your battery. You cannot lose your energy. And when you need to make phone call, you have energy, battery enough to make phone call. Real time when you need to make phone call, you have energy to do it. Not you have lost all the batteries by all these applications which you even don't know what they are. Okay, so any questions? So I'll leave a few moments for some questions.